What's up guys, today we're going to look how to import a particular file in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Now all you got to do is open Adobe Premiere Pro. Now in the pop-up window you will see various options. Click on the new project. Now you can give any name to your project and don't change the rest of the options and leave them unchanged. After finishing this, click on OK. If your setup is not as of mine, you can click on Window, then click on Workspace and click on the Editing. Now there are basically two ways to import your media files. Either you can double click on the area which says import media to start, or you can drag your files onto that area. Now in order to edit your video, you need to import your file to the new timeline panel. Now in order to do that, just follow the steps as shown in the video. That's how you import your file in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Now I'm playing my video. This is the easiest way in which you can import a particular file in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you want to watch such kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.